In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a text box in LibreOffice Draw quickly and easily. This is a super useful skill if you want to create diagrams, design layouts, add labels, or place text anywhere on the page without messing up the rest of your document. Whether you're making a flyer, a simple graphic, or just experimenting with LibreOffice Draw for the first time, this method will help you get it done in just a few steps. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once LibreOffice launches, look at the left side under the Create section and click on Draw Drawing. This will open a new LibreOffice Draw document where you can start adding shapes, objects, and text. Now that your draw page is open, look for the text box tool on the left toolbar. The text box tool is what allows you to place editable text anywhere on the page. Click it once to activate it. After selecting the text box tool, move your mouse over the page. Click and drag to create a text box in the size you want. You can make it small for a short label or larger if you want to type a longer sentence or paragraph. Once you release the mouse, the text box will appear on the page. Now simply start typing your text. The text you type will appear inside the box you just created. You can use this for titles, annotations, notes, captions, or anything else you need to place inside your draw project. If you want, you can also click outside the text box and then click back inside to edit the text again later. LibreOffice Draw makes it easy to move and adjust text boxes as needed, so you can keep arranging your layout until everything looks right. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a text box in LibreOffice Draw. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know where the text box tool is, you can use it anytime you need to add text to your design. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.